Good morning and welcome to today's daily vlog. Now it's gone from one extreme to the other today. Yesterday we had a bit of rain every now and again, like it was raining pretty much all day, but on and off. There was like a good bit of rain, enough things to do stuff, good bit of rain, and then it was like that all day. Rain, no rain, rain, no rain. But today we don't seem to have very much rain, it's just very windy. The tree that's in the garden, that is blowing about like nobody's business. Go and have a quick look. It's calmed down a bit now, but when I was just outside with Molly, well, there we go. You just see how windy it is there. So yeah, very blowy out there and windy. But I'm hoping it's not going to knock me off the internet, because I need to get on and do a few bits online. Molly is down here being a goodie. We've just been in the garden, haven't we? Yeah, I just took her in the garden. I'm going to take her for a walk. A little bit later, hopefully this wind will die down. And then about 2 o'clock we'll go for a walk around the block. And hopefully it's not as windy then. But yeah, I need to get started with a few bits that I need to do online. So it's now 1:30. I know it's quite early for going for a break, but I'm going to go for a break now and dodge this rain, because it's going to rain again soon, I reckon. It's been windy all morning, but I think it's blowing in another load of rain. So I'm going to go and take Molly for her walk now, I think, before it comes in. It's still getting a bit breezy and windy, but I need to give her a walk at some point today, so I'm going to try and dodge the rain and go now. And then I need to get back on with what I need to do online when I get back, but I do need to take her for a walk, so we're going to head out and go now, and hopefully not get rained on in the process. So we just got back from our walk. We didn't get rained on, which was good. It's still very cloudy and it's still quite windy out there, but yeah, it is what it is really. I'm glad that I got a walk around the block though, that was nice. I've now got a few more bits to do online, so I'm going to get on with that. And then tonight I'm having Thai green curry. Well, that's what I'm having. Mum's having like a crispy chicken, sweet and sour chicken thing, and then we've got the rest of the sesame prawn toast, spring rolls, prawn crackers. We've got a bit of a feast for tonight. So yeah, we're going to be doing that for dinner later this evening, and yeah. But first, I need to continue on with what I need to get done online for today. So it's now 4:57. I'm about to head down in a minute to do dinner. I'm going to turn my computer off. What are the odds that it's going to shut down first time today? No! I'm going to have to do a restart. It's a pain in the neck when it does this, but it's been okay the last couple of days. I don't know why it keeps doing it though. But no, it's restarting. Then I'll get it shut down, and then we'll be heading down to do... No, I didn't know. I don't... Well, it's obviously Thai, isn't it? But Thai is slightly Chinese. I'm having a Thai green chicken curry tonight, but I think Thai is similar to Chinese in a way. It's not Chinese, but I think it's a very similar sort of way of cooking. and everything with Thai. See, I'm having Thai green chicken curry, and I'm going to have the sesame prawn toast and the spring roll. I don't know if they're typically included with Thai food, if they have their own kind of like spring rolls and sesame things, but I'm having it with mine tonight anyway. But yeah, I'm going to head down in a minute once my computer sorted itself out, get that turned off, and then we'll head down and start doing dinner. Let's go do dinner. So I just got down to do dinner. Like I said, I'm having a Thai green chicken curry. This is it, just here. And then my mum's having this crispy lemon chicken. And then we've got prawn toast and some spring rolls. So yeah, luckily we've got some rice in the freezer, like some microwave rice, for my mum to have with her lemon chicken. No, she wouldn't have any rice with it. I don't think we've got any other rice. So I'm going to do some of that rice. And then you've got our spring rolls, prawn toast, you know, a nice proper feast tonight. So yeah, I'm going to put this in the oven, get it cooked, and then I'll be back after I've eaten. So it's now 7 minutes past 9. I called my mum up on the home help thing. I see if she wants a cup of tea. But no reply. I called her twice. I even went halfway up the stairs and called her and still no reply. So I don't know if she's gone to sleep or whatever, but then it is gone 9 o'clock, so she probably has done. But yeah, she probably just has gone to sleep. I'm not really too sure. She usually likes to have a cup of tea and a couple of other bits taken up to her, but she'll probably call down to me. I'm trying to start watching my TV shows. But anyway, my laptop's on, that's getting booted up, ready to edit this vlog a little bit later on. I'm going to take Molly in the garden. She's just having a drink of water down there at the minute. But yeah, I'm going to take her in the garden in a minute. Then I'm going to watch WWE Raw, an episode of Dubai Hustle, and EastEnders. So yeah, other than that, there isn't really that much else to vlog tonight, so I'm going to end today's vlog here. So don't forget, if you like the vlog, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment and click the bell so you always get notified when I upload new videos, and I'll see you tomorrow at 6 PM. So don't forget, if you dream it, believe it, achieve it. Good night.